Okay, I'm gonna squeeze. Got it. There's 2 more bulls over there.
Alright guys, I just got set up in my cave. I got my sleeping pad down. I got my quilt out. Got my pillow blown up. Sitting here having some dinner right now. But I just got the most awesome text. Tar down, baby. Lake Fork guy got it done. I am so pumped that Justin was able to get him a tar. I had a great evening here. I had a bull at 130 yards. You know, if I was rifle hunting, I would have got it done tonight. But I'm sticking it out with my bow. This basin I'm in, we've had animals in every morning, every evening. I'm really liking my chances if I just stick it out here. If you look over there, that's the wet part of the cave. It's a little soggy, but got my sleeping pad, my quilt. I got my puffy pants on to keep me warm. Got my bow here. I think we're good to go. I think we're good for the night. Should be a good night's sleep.
Good morning from the tent, everybody. It was about freezing temperatures last night. I think the inReach said it was 33 degrees. And we've had some moisture move in. It's dewy, and the tent's just covered in water right now. And I had to break out my puffy pants and jacket just to be able to sleep. It was really cold. I was just sleeping fully clothed, and then my feet kept getting cold down there at the end. Not on flat ground by any means, so there was kind of a posturepedic situation, big hump in the middle. But the exciting thing is, we got a tar down. That was part of the reason I couldn't sleep. The other part was the cold, but now it's time to eat a little breakfast. I barely have any water left. The plan is to glass around here this morning. We're going to see if we can see any more tar or chamois, and see if we can get Todd on camera getting one. And then if we don't see anything around here, we're going to go track the tar that I shot yesterday. Don't really know how big it is, just know it's a mature animal, so it's going to be pretty exciting. Hopefully we won't get rained on too much today, and everybody else is going to have an opportunity to get an animal. Still got my buddy JT. He slept in a cave last night.
Trying to figure out what to do. Weather has killed us this trip. We've gotten to hunt 2 days. 2 days out of coming over here for 11. So I just got the text from Wendy, from the ranger there at the hut, that it's supposed to be heavy rain all day today. I'm gonna pack my stuff up and just slowly work my way down the mountain, get back to the hut. This basically puts an end to my tar and chamois hunt. It's disappointing, but I'll tell you what, I got to see some amazing animals. I got to see some amazing country, and it's some of the steepest, most nastiest mountains I've ever climbed. And plus I got to spend the night in this cool cave.
Let's see what we got going on. Oh, yeah, it's snowing. It's amazing how the conditions out here just change within hours. So, lucky enough to get a shot off last night. It was absolutely beautiful. The most gorgeous sunset I've ever seen. Now we're gonna have more work. Our tar is way up there. And there's even more around us right now. So, see what the weather brings. Let's see what New Zealand gives us here on the southern island. Doing it the Kiwi way. Tramping through the bush. That is snow. Definitely snow. Oh, welcome to New Zealand. Some big chunks coming down now. It's snowing now. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and try to recover this original tar that I shot last evening. These are big, big chunks. Being from Texas, I never see this. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. All the way up there. But he's all the way on top. At this point, we're basically just walking through trees. Just grabbing onto them, walking through them. Yes. Oh, it's like wrestling a bear. I don't know how anything can live up here. Tar down.
We might have double hit it up there.
Maybe. Yet to see one below us. By the time I saw it, he was already getting the rifle out. Oh, he's moving a little bit. See some blood. So we might have 2 tar up there in the same area. We're about to find out. But we've probably gone another 800 feet above our tent already. The snow is getting heavy. This is crazy. There he is. Coming up on the one that was just shot. Bull tar. So we're not sure if this is the same one or not, because it's in the same area. It might have gotten up during the night. Whistling at us.
Very nice tar.
Bull tar. He was facing this way, so if I hit him where I thought, he should have a shoulder wound. That's where I shot him. I shot him right there, and he...
Because it was like quartering. That's where exactly where I told you to shoot.
Yeah, but it should have went into some lung from there, huh? The exit wound should be like back there towards your right hand.
Mm-hmm. Well, put it there.
I guess we double tapped him.
Yeah. Looking up at us, and we could only see his head, so maybe he was just bedded where he was. Like,
maybe.
Not standing.
What a place to take a photo.
Yeah.
Between yesterday and now. This is it. This is my bull tar for the trip right here. So special. The work that it took to get up here, not helicopter hunting, doing it the Kiwi way, right, Todd?
You betcha.
Hiking all the way up here. This makes this my biggest trophy animal ever. An actual trophy, plus it's just a personal trophy for me personally, getting to hunt up here with one of my best friends, JT and Todd, and just getting to hang out with those guys and experiencing New Zealand up here in the mountains and being able to take a nice bull tar. It's just amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So blessed to get this animal. I made a good shot on it. Shot it in the shoulder while it was quartering, but it survived the night, rolled down the hill, and it bedded up right here. So we thought it was a different tar, but it was just bedded up and it wasn't going anywhere. Todd was saying it was just standing there for a long time. It wasn't acting right. So he thought it might be the same one. Turns out it is. We found the hole right there above the shoulder. So tough animal. So much respect for this animal. And we're gonna cape it. We're gonna take some meat off this guy and pack it back down the mountain a long way. So truly blessed. Todd, give me one last fist bump, man. So awesome. Now we got to get to work on this guy, but just truly a trophy, y'all. Truly a trophy.
Y'all, these conditions are absolutely terrible. It's snowing, our hands are freezing.